Hello everyone, I am Shreya and welcome back to yet another episode of Analytics Jobs. A lot of students were asking us questions about internships, how to get prepared for that, how to crack its interviews as beginner and whatnot. So in today's episode, I will be talking about the top 5 things to do before applying for an internship. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. With the beginning of your career, a couple of things are as vital as getting internship experience under your belt. This is simply because internships enable you to build your skill set while simultaneously showing you the ins and outs of what it is to operate in a particular field. Here are 5 things to keep in mind when applying for an internship. Number 1. Update your resume. One of the secrets to land in an excellent internship is creating a fantastic resume. Therefore, before you begin applying for the roles, it is vital that you make certain that your resume is updated and also has the relevant abilities and experience. To know how you can create a great resume, I have already mentioned the link of that video in the description box. Number 2. Identify the type of internship you want. When you have your resume and VIA profile filled out, it is now time to determine what kind of internship you need. The cruciality of doing this is to having a good grasp of what area you wish to check out while remaining versatile when it comes to the actual position. In addition, you should also try to identify what type of company you want to work for. This will help to ensure that you are happy with your decision and working in an environment that is right for you. Number 3. Know the application deadlines. Timing can be just as vital as creating a great resume and understanding what you should search for. In many fields, summer internship opportunities are available and are open for applications during the fall semester, and candidates are usually offered places before winter break. It's important to apply as early as possible to give yourself the best chance of success. Number 4. Apply for several internships. The most effective way to ensure that you discover an internship that is appropriate for you is by maintaining your options and using an extensive range of internships. Even though this might seem relatively too much to handle initially, it is really very simple to do as soon as you have your resume prepared and understand what kind of roles to search for. Number 5. Prepare for the interview. As soon as you have sent out your applications, it is time to get ready for the job interview. The most effective way to do this is by researching the frequently asked questions as tell me about yourself and what are you passionate about. Also, developing a solution that provides the interviewer a definite insight into just who you are and what you can bring to the table. By adhering to these actions, you can definitely establish yourself up for being successful and get one step closer to landing an amazing internship. So that's all for today. Keep on commenting your queries and suggestions and motivate us by liking and sharing our videos. We will be back soon with another useful insight for you. Till then, stay safe.